Hi, this is Emma with OrderMaxx, and today I'm going to be explaining how to use the store navigation on your site. This feature is part of the store module, and it allows you to add a sidebar with different product categories to any page on your site. To access the navigation bar settings, go to the Admin Dashboard, Access Modules, and find Navigation Manager under the Store module. Here, you can create and manage store categories for your sidebar. These are your category names, display options allow you to decide whether or not a button should appear on your sidebar, and the sequence decides the order in which they appear. Categories with a lower sequence number will appear before those with higher numbers. You can add a category, starting with the category name and sequence, and then add more information by editing it on the previous page. From here you can add an image to your product category, change the layout of products on the page, and add text to appear above your products. If you enable the subcategory results page, you can add a link to the subcategory of products. The subcategory menu becomes available here and functions the same as the normal category pages. Continuing to our next categories, search engine optimization contains metadata that helps customers directly search for one of your products. The category bottom information adds a footer to the category page. Finally, this menu below allows you to manage category products in the order in which they display. You can add as many products as you need to a category, and there's no limit to the number of categories a single product can be placed in. That wraps up the navigation settings. To add this to a page on your site, head back to the Modules and Basic System, and choose the Page to Edit underneath the Page Manager. To add the sidebar to a page, select the field Show Navigation on Page and choose Yes. This is not to be confused with the field below, which would instead add a link from the site banner to the store page. And that is everything you need to know in order to use the store navigation. If you have any further questions regarding this or one of our other products, feel free to contact us at OrderMaxx.com. Thank you for watching.